Hi, Pat here with Pat's Rides. Let's talk about my climb gear now that I've been riding with it for a few months and I've got a few miles behind it. So if you're interested to hear what it's like after riding with it for a few months, stick around, stay tuned. I'll be back right after this. Alright, welcome back. As you can see, I've got my Klim Carlsbad outfit on. I'm here in Tennessee at Backbone Rock. What a great place to do a product review, right? Anyway, jacket, size large, which is about a size too big for me, but that's perfect. I can layer up under it. Today I've got just a t-shirt on. It's pretty warm out. With Klim, they never come with liners. You got to buy your own. I think you all know that by now. But anyway, thankfully, I've not had to test the water resistance. I'll probably do an addendum to the end of this when I get home because I'm probably going to be riding home in storms. Anyway, the jacket is nice, relatively lightweight, it's comfortable. Every now and then though on the bike, when I do have it all zipped up, we get her all fastened up like this. Every now and then this does kind of ride up into my Adam's apple. I don't know what to do about it. I mean, it doesn't have the side gussets like some jackets, so I just tolerate it. I guess that's just something I'm going to get used to. But as you can see, it zips and unzips easy, perfectly adjustable, big pockets. The only thing I wish, like I said in my first impressions video, is that it had a zipper. I mean, I've got an iPhone 8S for, us old people that have a hard time reading things. It fits in here perfectly. As you can see, it's in there. I've got the vents, which I really haven't used yet because I'm carrying my Klim induction air jacket, which I still need to do a review on that. I've had it a good year now. Got our medical card pocket. Got the back armor. Not much to say other than I love the jacket. Pants. Again, I bought a size large because sometimes I wear warmer layers under it. I've been experimenting this year. Today, I just have a pair of shorts on under it, and that's it. And so far, they've been wonderful, comfortable. I've experimented the last couple of weeks with some real light sweatpants under it as well. Again, they've been really comfortable. I mean, this is the way to ride. Guys, there's no bunching, there's no pinching, if you know what I mean. The thigh vents here, they're fair. When you're sitting, they do get to be open. They're fair. They've got the exhaust vent in the back that I open up. I mean, they're not an air pant, so they are a little warm when you're stopped. Heck, my air jacket's warm when you're stopped, so that's just to be, I guess, taken for granted. But anyway, they offer the protection. They're fairly lightweight. They're really not any worse than wearing my Dragon jeans as far as heat goes. Yeah, they're a little less comfortable than Dragon jeans walking around, but I'm adapting. What else do I want to say about these? Pockets, they do have a nice zipper on them. I honestly don't know if they're waterproof, but I would hope they are. I'll put some kind of text up here after I get home and edit the video and let you know whether the pockets are or aren't waterproof, but they're huge. Again, I can get my iPhone in there just fine, my wallet, what have you. I kind of like how they're on the side so they don't bother you at all, whether you're sitting, standing, walking. Overall, I've got no regrets buying this gear. So if you're in the market for the Klim Carlsbad outfit, it's a lot of money, but I think you get your money's worth out of it. So, as Siskel and Ebert used to say, I give it 2 thumbs up. Hey, thanks for watching the review, and if you haven't, subscribe, hit that bell icon for more content. Talk to you later. Bye.